Hello, I'm going to teach you how to use a template on Google Slides to create your own. First, I always use Google Chrome when managing anything Google related in my classroom. Again, you'll need to sign in the top right corner if you're not already signed into your PSD account. Next, you're going to go to bit.ly/tall template. TALL does need to be capitalized. This is going to bring you to a pre-made template on Google Slides that I created for you. Here, you're going to find places that are highlighted in yellow that you'll need to edit and make in your own. To create your own copy, you will need to say File, Make a Copy. This will bring you to a copy document box. You'll want to change the copy of to your first and last name, and then delete the word template. This is going to make a new document that you can edit because you won't have editing properties or permissions in my template. Once you have your own titled Tall Goals slides presentation, you'll see that you now can edit this. Anywhere that you see highlighted things, I want you to type the proper information and then go ahead and unhighlight this. You'll see that throughout there are directions as well. When you finish this slide, it does say delete this slide when finished. You just click on the slide over here on the left and then push the delete button, or you can say cut and it will delete it for you. Again, you're going to type anything that is in highlighted, put the relevant information for yourself. This slide here asks you to upload a picture of yourself, and I just wanted to show you how to do that. I think everything else is pretty straightforward and easy to do. To unhighlight, you just go up here in this little highlight thing and then push transparent as your highlight color, and that will unhighlight it. Otherwise, just type the information as necessary. Where it says please include an image of yourself or something important to you and delete the text box, you're just going to click on the text box, and then where you're going to hover over until you see a little two-way arrow thing, and then click on the border and press delete button. This is going to delete that text box. Then you're going to go up to Insert Image. You can either upload it from your computer, search the web, or upload from Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to do all of those options. So if you're going to upload from Google Drive, you'll see that different pictures will come up, Recent and My Drive. I did put a picture already in this folder, and you can just put this here and edit it so that we all fit. Oh, look how skinny we look. That's so great. Okay, so that's one option. The other option is to insert from the web. This is one thing I really like to have kids to be able to do as opposed to using PowerPoint. They can't search the web. They have to download something from a Google search, and then they have to upload it to PowerPoint. This saves them a lot of steps. So if they wanted to include something that was important to them, maybe I would type in family. Everything that they pull up on this Google search is actually going to have the common copyright that's allowed to be reused. So nothing here that they use is going to be copyrighted. Anything Creative Commons, excuse me, that's what I was looking for. So any images that they find are going to be completely okay to use in any format. So I think that's really important. So I'm going to go ahead and click this family button and say insert. And it's going to show up, and then I can drag it to my little spot here. Or the last thing that you can do is say insert image from your computer. And you can click any image that's in a PNG file or a JPEG file that's over here on the right and say open, and it's going to upload that for you. So 3 options to upload an image, but something that's important to you. Of course, a picture of you is nice so I can see you, but certainly not necessary. I don't want you digging through old pictures to try to find something. Make it easy for yourself. The rest are all pretty self-explanatory about your goals and goal setting for me, and then any pertinent information I need to know about you. When this is all finished and all of your highlighting is taken care of, you're going to go up to this right corner, this is really important, and push share. Here you're going to type my email address, KMAUCH. Because you're logged into PSD, this is actually going to auto-populate, so even if you just typed my first name, all of the Kelseys are going to pop up. and then if you start typing my last name, I'll eventually pop up. And you can either give me editing capabilities, commenting capabilities, or viewing capabilities. I don't really care, it's totally up to you. But when you're sharing with students, it's really nice to be able to change that. I don't like kids to edit my stuff, so I always just give them viewing properties, and then you click send. That will send me an email that says that you shared your presentation with me and that your homework is done for the week. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks!